The enduring significance of history, unveiling our past for a better future. History, a chronicle of humanity's journey through time, holds a profound significance that extends far beyond the pages of dusty textbooks. It is an extraordinary tapestry that weaves together the triumphs and tribulations of civilizations, the struggles and achievements of individuals, and the complexities of human existence. While some may question its relevance in a rapidly changing world, history remains an indispensable discipline that offers invaluable lessons and insights. In this article, we delve into why history matters and explore its enduring importance in shaping our present and guiding our future. History serves as a compass, guiding us through the labyrinth of the present by providing essential context and perspective. By studying the events, ideas, and decisions of the past, we gain a deeper comprehension of the forces that have shaped our world today. History enables us to recognize patterns, identify trends, and draw connections between past and present occurrences. It reveals the roots of social, political, economic, and cultural developments, empowering us to navigate the complexities of our contemporary society with wisdom and foresight. The famous adage, "Those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it," holds a timeless truth. History imparts invaluable lessons from the triumphs and failures of our predecessors. It offers a wealth of knowledge, enabling us to evaluate strategies and approaches that have succeeded or faltered. By studying historical events and their outcomes, we equip ourselves with the tools to make informed decisions, shape better policies, and avert the repetition of past mistakes. History serves as a repository of collective wisdom, offering a roadmap to a brighter future. Our cultural heritage is an essential component of our identity as individuals and societies. History serves as a custodian of our diverse cultural tapestry, safeguarding traditions, customs, and achievements. By studying the history of different cultures, we foster an appreciation for their contributions to the mosaic of human civilization. It encourages cultural diversity, tolerance, and empathy, allowing us to forge meaningful connections and build bridges across borders. History preserves our cultural heritage, ensuring that the rich tapestry of human experiences endures for future generations. History is an intellectual crucible that nurtures critical thinking and analytical skills. It demands careful analysis, interpretation, and evaluation of various sources of information. Through the study of history, we learn to discern biases, question assumptions, and examine evidence. History cultivates a capacity for nuanced thinking, empowering us to form well-rounded perspectives and make sound judgments. These skills are indispensable in an era characterized by information overload, enabling us to navigate complex issues and arrive at informed conclusions. At its core, history is a tale of human experiences, struggles, and triumphs. It offers a window into the lives of those who came before us, fostering empathy and understanding. By studying history, we explore diverse societies, cultures, and perspectives, broadening our worldview and nurturing compassion for our fellow human beings. It provides us with a deeper understanding of the complexities of human nature, highlighting the common threads that bind us together as a global community. History is a powerful tool for fostering unity and building bridges across time and space. History serves as the collective memory of humanity, ensuring that the sacrifices, achievements, and contributions of past generations are not forgotten. It allows us to remember pivotal events, honor the heroes and heroines of our shared narrative, and commemorate important milestones. By preserving our collective memory, we forge a stronger sense of identity, rooted in the shared experiences and lessons of our ancestors. History connects us to our past, grounds us in the present, and inspires us to shape a better future. History is not merely a compilation of facts and dates, it is the repository of our collective wisdom, the guide to our present, and the compass for our future. Its importance lies in its ability to offer insight, wisdom, and understanding. By studying history, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of the world, nurture critical thinking skills, foster empathy, and preserve our cultural heritage. As we navigate the challenges of an ever-changing world, let us not overlook the enduring significance of history. Embracing its lessons, we embark on a journey towards a brighter, more enlightened future.